Hi, this is Khyati from group number 13, and we are going to present Power BI Data Analysis and Visualization Project. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft that offers data visualization and business intelligence capabilities. Here are the key components. The first one is Power BI Desktop. It helps to creating reports and data visualization. Power BI Service, online service for publishing and sharing reports and dashboard. Power BI Mobile, mobile apps for assessing reports on iOS, Android, and Windows. The last one is Power BI Report Server, on-premises report server for hosting Power BI reports. Here are the core features. Data connectivity connects to various data sources like Excel, SQL Server, Azure, Google Analytics, Salesforce, and more. Data transformation uses Power Query for data cleansing, shaping, and transformation. Data modeling create relationships between different data sources and develop a data model. Data visualization offers a wide range of customizable visualizations such as charts, graphs, maps, and tables. The next one is dashboard. Combine multiple visualization into a single dashboard for a comprehensive view of key metrics. Next one is advantages. Easy to use, which means user-friendly interface suitable for users with varying levels of technical expertise. Integration. Seamless integration with other Microsoft products like Excel, Azure, and Teams. Scalability. Suitable for small business to large enterprise with extensive data needs. Customization. Highly customizable with support for custom visuals and extensions. Here is the heat map overlay on a geo map to illustrate real estate price trends across different suburbs in Sydney. The map shows the distribution of property prices with warmer colors indicating higher prices. This visualization is helpful for analyzing real estate market trends, allowing stakeholders to identify high value areas and observe how property prices vary across different suburbs. Based on this, we have answered the question and we have gathered the complete data to find the longitude.
Myself, Shelly, I'm giving presentation about understanding the data sets. It is crucial for effective data analysis and visualization. A data set in Power BI is a collection of data that you import or connect to, which you can then use to create reports and dashboards. The given image contains geographical information useful for linking sales data with specific location within the retail chain. Here is the column city, state, and description. Managing relationship between dataset in Power BI is a fundamental aspect of data modeling. Establishing the right relationship ensures that your data is connected correctly, enabling accurate analysis and reporting. Here are the different type of relationship: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one. The data model shows that the region table has one-to-many relationship with state table, meaning each region contains multiple states. Similarly, the state table has a one-to-many relationship with the city table. Indicate that each state contains multiple cities. The hierarchical relationship structure allows for organizing and analyzing data across regions, states, and cities effectively in Power BI.
Power BI is a powerful data visualization tool developed by Microsoft designed to help you analyze data and share insights. Here's a quick guide to getting you started with creating data visualization. Choosing the right visuals, bar and column chart, good for comparing different categories. Line charts, ideal for showing trends over time. Pie chart, useful for showing parts as a whole. Map, great for geographical data. Tables and matrices useful for detailed data views. Building visuals, drag and drop fields from your data model onto the report canvas. Customize visuals using the visualization pane. Adjust properties like colors, labels, and tooltips. Enhancing reports, add some filters and slicers. Use slicers to enable user to filter data interactively. Apply filters to visual pages or the entire report to focus on specific data subsets. Create interactive elements, add buttons, bookmarks to navigate between report pages. Use drill through and cross-filtering features to provide detailed views of the data. Provide context, add titles, labels, and tooltip to help users understand the data. User annotations and comments to highlight important points. Example workflow, connect to data, import data from Excel or other sources, clean and transform data, use Power Query to clean and shape the data, build data model, define relationships and create necessary calculations, create visuals, add and customize visual on the report canvas, enhance interactivity, use slices, filters, bookmarks for interactive reports, publish and share. Publish the report to Power BI service and share it with your team members. Power BI dashboard offers numerous benefits for business and data professionals. Here are some of the key advantages. First one is interactive and visualizations. Real-time insights. Dashboards can be set up to refresh in real time, providing up-to-date information and enabling timely decision making. User interactivity. Users can interact with the visuals by drilling down into details, applying filters, and exploring data from different angles. The second one is consolidated data view. Single pane of glass. Power BI dashboard consolidates data from multiple sources, providing a comprehensive view of key metric and performance indicator in one place. Integration with the various data sources. Power BI supports numerous data sources such as Excel, SQL Server, cloud services, and more, allowing for seamless data integration. Third one is customizable and flexible. Dashboard can be customized to meet the specific needs of different users or departments, highlighting the most relevant information for each audience. A wide range of visualization types and customization options enable the creation of dashboards that are both functional and visually appealing. Fourth one is collaboration and sharing. Dashboards can be easily shared with the team members and stakeholders through the Power BI service, email, or embedding in other applications. Users can collaborate by adding comments, annotation directly on the dashboard, facilitating discussion and decision-making process. The fifth one is scalability. Power BI is scalable and can be handle large volumes of data, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Features like incremental refresh, data flow, optimized data models ensure efficient data processing and performance. Mobile accessibility. Power BI dashboard can be accessible on mobile device through the Power BI mobile app, allowing users to stay informed and make decisions from anywhere. Dashboards are designed to be responsive, ensuring they display correctly on various devices and screen sizes. The seventh one is cost effective. Power BI offers a range of pricing plans, including a free version with basic features and more advanced capabilities available in the Pro and Premium tiers. Users can create and manage their own dashboards without heavy reliance on IT departments, reducing overall costs and increasing agility. Eighth one is advanced analytics. Power BI integrates with the AI and machine learning capabilities, enabling predictive analytics and deeper data insights. The data analytic expressions, the data analytic expression DAX language allow for creation of sophisticated calculation and measures. The last one is security and compliance. Power BI includes robust security features such as role-level security, data encryption, compliance with the industry standard such as GDPR. Admin can control access to dashboards and reports, ensuring that sensitive information is only available to authorized users.
Hi, my name is Yaswant Singh. Now I am elaborating the dashboard. There are two main dashboards their key component and functionality. Key components are canvas and tiles. Canvas, the single page layout where visual elements are arranged, whereas the tiles, individual visual elements, chart, graph, map displayed on the canvas. Functionality. Integration combines various visual elements to present complex data. Interactivity. Users can interact with visual elements in real time. Customization. Dashboards can be tailored to meet specific users' need. The next slide shows the how to create a Power BI dashboard from a report. Creating a Power BI dashboard involves several key steps, including data import, data transformation, and visualization. First of all, prepare your data. Before you begin, ensure your data is clean and structured. Power BI can connect to various data sources like Excel, databases, web services, etc. Second step is to import the data. Open Power BI desktop, click on Get Data on the home ribbon, select your data source, for example, Excel, SQL service, anything that you want. Follow the prompts at your data. The third step is transform data. Use Power Query Editor to clean and transform your data. Click on Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. Perform necessary transformations such as filtering rows, adding columns, or changing data types. Click Close and Apply to apply the changes and load the data into Power BI. The fourth step is to create relations. Relations can be created to get the model view, to define relationships between different tables, drag and drop fields to create relationships. The fourth step is to create visualizations. Go to the report view. Use the visualization pane to drag and drop fields onto the canvas to create different types of charts and graphs. For example, include bar charts, line chart, pie chart, tables, and maps. Customize the visuals using the format pane, changing colors, labels, and tiles. Now it's time to build your dashboard. Arrange your visualizations on the canvas to create a cohesive layout. Use slicers and filters to allow interactivity. Add text boxes, images, and shapes for additional context and design. Seventh is the Publish Your Dashboard. Save your Power BI report. Click on Publish on the home ribbon to publish the report to the Power BI service. Select your workspace and click Select. You can also share your dashboard open your dashboard in Power BI Service, click on Share at the top right, enter your email address of people you want to share the dashboard with and set permissions. Just seen is the image that we have created the dashboard by following these steps. We have added visualization maps, line charts, bar charts, and the data that we have to require. In conclusion, the Power BI is a versatile data analysis and visualization tool that allows users to create dynamic and interactive dashboards featuring various visualization types such as bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and maps. Users can enhance these dashboards with slicers to filter data dynamically and drill down into specific details. For instance, a bar chart can display sales performance by region, while a line chart can show monthly sales trends. Additionally, Power BI facilitates easy data import and the transformation from sources like CS files, enabling the creation of detailed tables and matrix views for in-depth analysis. This combination of diverse visualization options and interactivity makes Power BI an essential tool for data-driven decision making. It's our final presentation. Thank you to all.